Ever wondered how those mysterious GrabPay cards work? You know, the ones that seem to magically unlock a world of convenience and discounts? Well, let's dive in and demystify the magic behind them. Imagine a world where you can pay for your Grab rides, food deliveries, and even shopping with just a simple tap of your card. That's the power of GrabPay. But how does it all work? 1. What is a GrabPay card? A GrabPay card is essentially a prepaid card linked to your GrabPay wallet. It's like having a digital wallet that you can carry around in your physical pocket. 2. How to get a GrabPay card? You can usually get a GrabPay card by ordering online. Visit the Grab app or website and order your card. Purchasing at authorized retailers. Look for GrabPay card kiosks or retailers that sell them. 3. Activating your GrabPay card. Once you have your card, you'll need to activate it. This is usually a simple process that involves entering a PIN. You'll be prompted to create a PIN for your card. Linking to your GrabPay account. Connect your physical card to your digital GrabPay wallet. 4. Funding your GrabPay card. There are several ways to add funds to your GrabPay card. Cash deposits. Find authorized locations where you can deposit cash. Bank transfers. Link your bank account to your GrabPay wallet and transfer funds. E-wallets. Connect other e-wallets like PayPal or Alipay to top up your GrabPay balance. 5. Using your GrabPay card. Once your card is funded, you can use it for a variety of transactions. Grab rides. Simply tap your card on the Grab driver's card reader. Food deliveries. Pay for your food orders through the Grab app. Shopping. Look for merchants that accept GrabPay. 6. GrabPay card benefits. Using a GrabPay card offers several advantages. Convenience. No need to carry cash or multiple cards. Security. Your card is protected by advanced security features. Rewards and discounts. Enjoy exclusive offers and cashback rewards. 7. GrabPay card security. GrabPay takes security seriously. Your card is equipped with PIN protection. Your transactions require a PIN for authorization. Contactless technology. Minimize physical contact when paying. Fraud monitoring. GrabPay constantly monitors for suspicious activity. So, there you have it. A GrabPay card is a convenient and secure way to make payments in the digital age. Whether you're commuting, ordering food, or shopping, GrabPay has you covered. Ready to experience the convenience of GrabPay? Get your card today and start enjoying the benefits. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy tapping.